You are listening to AI with Shailey. I'm Shailendraa Kumar. Good morning. It is July 31st, 2026, and today we are asking a tough question. Is your AI assistant accidentally being a clueless tourist in your own home? Trending today is fascinating research from the University of Cincinnati about what scholars call the weird bias. That stands for Western, educated, industrialized, rich, and democratic. The headline: Our favorite AI models are essentially Westerners in a box. They are not just missing facts about other cultures, they are missing the social etiquette and the logic that makes those cultures tick. I saw a viral thread today where an AI gave American style individualist advice, like telling someone to set firm boundaries, to a person dealing with a traditional family conflict in a collectivist culture. In many parts of Asia or the Middle East, that is not helpful advice. It is a recipe for a family feud. I have felt this myself. When I have asked AI to help draft messages for traditional events, it often misses the mark on politeness levels. It is either too blunt or performatively polite in a way that feels, well, robotic. But have you ever wondered why an AI that speaks perfect Swahili or Hindi can still sound like it is from Silicon Valley? It is because translation is not the same as understanding. Right now, less than 5% of training data comes from the global south. We are seeing a massive push for sovereign AI in places like Japan and France to protect their cultural DNA from being sanitized by a Western template. Here is your bonus tip for today. If you are using AI for anything culturally specific, do not just give it a task. Use your prompt to define the social logic. Tell the AI, write this assuming a collectivist cultural mindset where communal harmony is the priority. It forces the model to look past its default weird settings. As the University of Cincinnati researchers beautifully put it, AI is a mirror, but if the mirror was manufactured in a single neighborhood, it cannot reflect what it has never seen. I'm Shailendraa Kumar. For more deep dives, find me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Medium, or X. I would love to hear your take. Has an AI ever made a cultural faux pas with you? Drop a comment and let us discuss.